Okay, now I want to go over one other example with exponential growth. It tells you the inaugural attendance of an annual music festival is 150,000. The attendance Y increases by 8% each year. So on part A, I want to write an exponential growth function that represents the attendance after t years. So remember that your equation should look like this. Y equals A times a quantity 1 plus r, all of that raised to the t power. So here are the things that we need to figure out. A, the initial or starting amount. The initial or starting amount is 150,000. So that's A in this case. I could start plugging that number into my equation. 150,000 times a quantity 1 plus r to the t power. It says the attendance increases 8% each year. So r as a percent is 8, but then when you plug it into the equation or formula, you want to change that to a decimal. So it's 1 plus 8% as a decimal. Move the decimal place 2 places to the left, so it would be 0.08 or just 0.08, and then raise to the t power. I'm going to simplify this. Maybe you skip this part and then just add in your head, but it's 150,000 times 1.08 to the t power. That's part A. I don't want to plug in a specific number for t yet. But then on part B, how many people will attend the music festival? In the 5th year, round your answer to the nearest 1,000. So in the 5th year, t would be 5. So I can write the equation y equals 150,000 times the quantity 1.08 and then raised to the 5th power. And then I can enter all that into my calculator as is. We talked about your calculator does the correct order of operations for you. So on my calculator, I'm entering in 150,000 times 1.08 raised to the 5th power. Okay. I come up with 220,399. I need to make sure that I round to the nearest 1,000. That was the directions. So I'm going to write this down right now. 220,399. So here's the place right here I want to round it to. 1's place right here, 10's place, 100's place, and then the 1,000's place. So I look at the number to the right. That's less than 5. So this number, the 0, stays the same. Again, following directions to the nearest 1,000. The attendance at the music festival should be about 220,000.